How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and this is TorqueTube18. So for today's video we are going to install another mod, another part to the engine bay on the 2015 Scat Pack. And here is the package. We're going to open it in a couple of seconds, but it is a Strut Tower Brace that is going to connect both of these things together. So we're going to put this on the table, we're going to open it up, and we're going to see what we have, and then we're gonna install it. Well, first impressions, it's really nicely wrapped. Oh wow. Wow guys, look at this. Look how nicely packaged this is. I don't know if it's the company name over here. Here, Drake Muscle Cars, and we've also got stickers that they sent us. So I am going to unpackage this, and I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod, and we're gonna install it. What you have to do is put the two screws inside and then hold them with your finger, flip it around, and you take your other piece, you put it on top of it, and yeah, look at it. Put it on top of it like this, and then you add these little tightening screws, and you tie it with a Allen key. Just like this, and then you could go ahead and tie it in your engine bay, and you just put the three little screws, and you are set to go. Alright guys, so it is the next day here, and we finished installing the Strut Tower Brace on the 2015 Scat Pack. So we're gonna go ahead and show you exactly what it looks like, the final product. It was a bit of a pain in the ass, sorry for the language, but it was a pain in the ass to actually install it. There was a lot of taking out and putting back, screwing back everything. So it was a really long process, but we finally did it. So right now we're gonna review it, and that's gonna be it. So let's go ahead and do it. So it took about, not gonna lie, a week to do this, but are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Aluminum, also came with the sticker. Really nice. Has like a nice detail over here, nicer than the rubber plastic, I don't know what, bushing, if you want to call it like that, but it is actually attached to this metal bar here, and obviously screwed into this metal plate here that holds the frame together. As you could see, we had to drill in 2 holes over here to connect it onto the metal black piece. But here is the sticker, and that is pretty much it. So please smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and on to the next video.